Hi everyone, this is my sixth video in the series on how to leverage Agent AI to build agents. The last video was about summarizing tweets, and where I left it off was while I was able to get the tweets, you can see that the output looked like this. And this I thought is useful to do a video by itself on how to format the output in a way that is readable, because you can see obviously while this summarizes the tweets, discussions around AI agents, blah, blah, blah. It's just hard to read. I mean, it's just gibberish. And if we look at the agent and we look at the prompt that we were using, then you'll see this is what I told it. I'm providing you with a list of tweets. I would like you to read through each tweet and generate a summary about the tweets and to output the tweets in a readable form. And despite me saying output in a readable form, generate a summary, that's kind of the output that it was able to generate. So when I run into issues like this, the kind of easiest shortcut that I have found, and this is something that I think most of us can relate to, is that I basically just take this output, I go to ChatGPT, and I told ChatGPT, gave it this prompt. I have a list of tweets with data about the tweets, etc. It's in a raw, non-human readable format. I'd like you to generate a prompt that will do two things. One, generate a summary of the tweets. Two, return each tweet in a readable form. Then I just dumped the whole thing in there. And then, sure enough, ChatGPT reads through it, gave me a prompt where it says I have a data set of tweets, JSON format, perform the following tasks, generate a summary, readable tweets like this. It gives an example. So this is kind of your one-shot prompting where it gives an example of how it wants it. And all I then did was I went to Agent AI and I went to my editor. And so this again, so I'm now going to go delete this step since that one is not useful. I basically just pasted that whole prompt right in here. And I'll change this to photo mini, save some tokens. I have a data set of tweets in JSON format, perform the following tasks, generate a summary, blah, 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 readable tweets for each, reformat it, should look like this, blah, 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 save it. And then all I'm doing now is just showing it output. That's it. And so if you want to now look at what that output looks like, you can see this is what it looks like. Summary of tweets, nicely formatted. These are the topics that Dharmesh tends to tweet about. And then this is like overall metrics for the tweets. This is the most notable tweet that he had. And then these are, by date. You can now see agents all the way down. This was retweeted so many times, so many impressions, and blah, blah, blah. Much, much easier to read. Hope you find this useful. I love this hack where anytime I want to format something in a way that I am not able to do with my own prompting. I just ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt that will format it. I then take the prompt, put it in, and I get my output. Thank you.